Chairman Eghe local government, Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia, don't talk say if they remove the dirty for Eyeye Street off Adolor College Road and then repair the road, it go be bypass wey go link from Uwasota to Adolor College Road. Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia talk this one when she and our Operation Keep Eghe local government team go do check for the Eyeye Street off Adolor College Road to take remove dirty for the street, and say she don't first remove the dirty for the street for 2018 and she surprised say the dirty don't plenty again for the street. She can't beg people where they stay for the area, make them not they throw away dirty anyhow for the street, and say anybody then catch go face the law.
Eyeye Street is like a bypass that links between Uwasota and Adolor College Road. This area was evacuated in 2018. We moved all the waste here and we made this road motorable for vehicles. I'm so surprised now that we came back again after a few years. It's back again to the normal way. You know, we are here evacuating, so our duty here today is to evacuate this waste. Then after that, we are going to fill this area and grade it so that there will be a bypass for people because of the construction of the drainages at Adolor College Road. So I want to use this medium to plead with the people of Eyeye, the people of this community, to desist from all this. They are not paying waste manager to pick up their waste. They should please pay waste manager to pick up their waste so that all these things will stop. We are going to set up a committee here now to see how we can monitor this place, you know, for people not to be putting waste in this place. And we have asked all these traders, all these illegal structures to move out of the way because the road is supposed to be very wide. So that is what we are planning to do here. So today is the 31st day of January. We are here at Eyeye Street, and between now and Sunday, we should be done with this road.
Some of the people where they stay for the area, we talk to Tori people, control, we salute, give Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia for the ogbonge work where she they do.
We are really grateful for the job well done. We really appreciate the effort and how they are putting everything. But all same, the market here now, we don't know nothing, we don't know what to do about it. So I wish they can extend the market to a distance so that all this menace will not repeat itself. So we are really grateful for the job well done.
I want to really appreciate the good work our chairman Eghe is doing. It started from the landmark the father late Eyeye Ogbemudia have created in the land of Edo State. I really want to appreciate her. She is doing a good job.
After the check to Eyeye Street, Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia come carry waka go the Eghe Cottage Hospital where they currently under construction to check how far the work don't go after her last visit weeks ago.
So there are already some feeling to get the level of this courtyard.
She constantly carry waka go the Eghe Healthcare Center where belle nurse sweet her for the way the rooms, equipment and facilities they very unkept as dirty full everywhere for the environment. Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia for her talk with Tori people can talk say she they very disappointed and she can't call on the agency where they in charge of the health center make them call intervene.
This is Eghe Health Center in Ward 4 in Eghe local government. And this is the health center where we normally have immunization and all kind of things. Even at times they take a delivery here as well. I'm very disappointed with what I'm seeing here. The place is very dirty. As small as this health center, they said they have three cleaners. The 3 cleaners, I don't know what they are doing here. Opportunity to ask the agency who is in charge of the health centers in the local government to please come and take action over these health centers. Because as we are aware that the local government does not have control over the health centers anymore. But I felt it is my responsibility to go around the health centers in Eghe to really see what is going on in the health centers, if the places are durable or they are really doing the right thing. But when I got to this particular health center in Eghe, it's very, very dirty. You have so many staff here. You have more than 6-7 staffs in this place. As small as this place, you have 3 cleaners. And the place is very, very dirty.
Make una no forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Eghe local government area of Edo State, Balumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.